It doesn't matter if you're a junior, mid-level, or pro designer. It doesn't matter if you're just starting or you have 10 years of experience as a product designer. You need to know about this website. Welcome to the channel, my name is Gal, I'm a product designer. This channel is all about product design. I make tutorials, reviews, and product design entertainment. So if you're into that kind of stuff, consider subscribing. Okay, let's check this out. So I think every designer should visit this website and you'll see why. Go into your Google search and type in uxtools.co. This amazing website was created by these two amazing guys. Every year they conduct design tools survey among 15,000 designers around the world to check out the most popular and used design tools among real-world designers. So if you click on the home page and scroll down, you could see the latest survey, which was in 2021. Click on that, scroll down, and you get information like demographics, roles, and much more about the survey. But what I like to show you is that if you click on the resources and design tools database, you'll get this table with the most popular and used design tools chosen by us designers across the world. And even better, this table is organized by what type of designer you are. So for example, right now we're on the UI design tools and we can actually see the most popular tools in that field. Figma is number 1, we have Sketch at number 2, and XD at number 3. On the right side, we can see each software capabilities. We can see Figma works on all platforms, it's free, they have a pen tool, collaboration, comments, handoff, and so on and so on. But if you compare it to XD, for example, they don't have a built-in 3D transform tool. So if you're a UI designer and you need a 3D transform tool for your next project, then Adobe XD might be the right tool for you. Now, these are just UI design tools. If you hop over to prototyping tools, you'll see that XD, InVision, and Protopie are more popular than Sketch, which was number 2 in UI tools. But we also need to take in consideration the price. For example, I can tell you from experience that Apture is probably the most powerful prototyping tool among these applications. But as you can see, it's almost double the price, and that is why it sits at number 7. Moving on, we have more great categories like Portfolio Builder, Handful Developers, Design Systems, and more. This survey is amazing. It's another great way for us designers to be updated with the latest and greatest design tools and trends. I really hope you enjoyed this quick review, and I really like to hear from you in the comments what is your favorite design tool. Don't forget to follow my design work on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.